Hello and welcome to the EDIST Conference and Exhibition. Thank you to Jub Utility Supply Limited for sponsoring the Event app. Since this may be your first time using our platform, we would like to show you some of its key features. If you've never used EventMobi before, enter the email that you used to register for the event, and then create a password. If you have used EventMobi before, sign in using the email you registered with. If you've forgotten your password, there will be a prompt for you to create a new one. First, let's take a look at some helpful elements found in the top right corner. During the event, you can click on the bell icon to check announcements and messages you may have received. To the right of the bell, click on the icon to update your profile. Make sure to update your contact information so that other attendees can connect with you. Moving over to the navigation on your left, here you will find every section of the event. You have the option to hide this to create a better viewing experience by clicking on the left pointing arrow in the top right-hand corner of the pane. Click on Menu to bring it back on screen. Now, let's look closer at a few of the selection options. Clicking Home will bring you back to the main page at any time. Use the agenda to see current and upcoming sessions. You can view the time and location of each session and add it to your personal schedule. Click on Attendees to chat, schedule one-on-one meetings, and learn more about your fellow participants. Check out our great lineup of speakers and get to know them a little more by clicking here. Of course, our conference wouldn't be complete without our wonderful sponsors, so be sure to click on the Sponsors button to learn more about them. Our exhibitors can be found in this section. You can click on individual exhibitors to connect with them directly. Use the maps to view the trade show floor. You can view the desired location by clicking on the pin. Stay up to date in the event space by clicking on Announcements. This section will provide you with additional insight on what is happening throughout the event. Click here to explore challenges to win prizes and more. Check your total points, submit passcodes, and keep an eye on the leaderboard on the right side of the screen to see who's taking the top spot each day. EDA's EDIST22 is going to be a blast. Be part of the excitement by sharing your experiences and posting your on-site photos here. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you. Enjoy the conference.